Hi, everyone. Welcome to Arc Academy. This is the first episode of our eight-part series, AI for Parents. In this series, we'll break down key AI concepts into simple, practical terms so parents can understand what AI is, how it works, and why it matters for their child's future. Each episode will cover a different topic from the basics of AI to real-world applications, ethical considerations, and how Arc Academy prepares students for a world powered by technology. Let's get started. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions, and even learning from experience. AI is not just robots or sci fi, it's already part of our daily lives. Think of your smartphone's voice assistant, recommendations on Netflix, or even the spam filter in your email. All of these are powered by AI. Let's take a look at some everyday examples. When you ask Siri or Alexa a question, AI is processing your voice and searching for answers. When your streaming service suggests a movie you might like, AI is analyzing your viewing habits. Even your car's navigation system uses AI to find the fastest route from A to B. AI is designed to make things faster, easier, and more personalized. But it's important to remember that AI is a tool. It's only as good as the data it's trained on and the humans who design it. So how does AI learn? Well, AI learns through a process called machine learning, which is a bit like how humans learn from experience. But instead of reading books or listening to teachers, AI learns by analyzing large amounts of data. So let's break it down. Data is the foundation. For example, if you want an AI to recognize cats in photos, you need to give it thousands of cat pictures. The AI looks at these images and tries to find patterns like pointy ears, whiskers, or fur color, and over time it learns what makes a cat a cat. Next, there's training the AI. This process is called training because the AI is shown lots of examples and it adjusts its internal rules to get better at recognizing cats. At first, it might make mistakes, but with more data and feedback, it gets a lot smarter. Next, with algorithms and models, behind the scenes, AI uses mathematical formulas called algorithms. And now these algorithms help the AI make predictions or decisions. So, for example, an algorithm might calculate the probability that a certain image is a cat based on the patterns it has learned. There are typically three types of machine learning. There's supervised learning, where the AI is given labeled data, like photos labeled cat or dog, and learns to classify new images. There's unsupervised learning, where the AI finds patterns in unlabeled data, like grouping similar images together. And there's reinforcement learning, where the AI learns by trial and error, getting rewards for correct decisions and penalties for mistakes. It is critical to understand that AI and human intelligence are fundamentally different, and knowing these differences is key to using AI wisely. AI excels at processing vast amounts of data quickly. For example, an AI can analyze millions of medical records in seconds to find patterns, something that would take humans years. This makes AI incredibly useful for tasks like data analysis, pattern recognition, and automation. But AI doesn't have feelings, intuition, or creativity. Humans can understand context, make moral decisions, and think outside the box. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not a replacement for human thinking. It's more like a super powered assistant that can help us solve problems faster. AI learning is all about feeding it data, letting it find patterns, and using those patterns to make predictions or decisions. The more data it has, the better it gets. But remember, AI is a tool, it's only as good as the person prompting it. So, why should parents care about AI? Firstly, AI is shaping the future of work and education. It's inevitable. Many jobs will require AI skills, and students who understand AI will have a major advantage. Second, AI is part of our daily lives, so it's important to know how it works and how to use it safely. Finally, understanding AI will help parents guide their children in making smart choices about technology and preparing for a world where AI is everywhere. At the Apex Research Collective, we help students explore AI through hands on projects, research, and real world applications. Our students don't just learn about AI, they use it to solve real world problems, conduct original research, and even publish their findings in professional volumes. Our focus is on practical skills, critical thinking, and ethical considerations, preparing students not just for university admissions, but for a future where AI is a key part of every industry. Graduates of Arc Academy join a growing alumni network of published authors and global leaders with their work recognized in both academic and professional circles. Arc is more than a class, it's a professional apprenticeship that transforms ambitious students into published authors and symposium presenters, giving them a verifiable credential for top university applications and future careers. Visit our website for more information and feel free to contact us via email with details in our bio. If you're ready, you can also schedule an interview with us, and we look forward to helping your child become a published author and future leader with ARC. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to ARC Academy for more simple practical guides on AI and education.